is my another video related to human heart, and in this video we will be discussing about the most important topics related to heart, that is heartbeat, cardiac cycle and pacemaker. So do watch the video till the end for the complete knowledge. Let us begin. Heartbeat. Heartbeat can be defined as the time taken by one systole followed by an immediate diastole of the heart. Students, a normal human heartbeat rate is 72 times a minute. But what is systole and diastole? In simple terms, we have already discussed about systole and diastole. But systole is a contracting phase and diastole is a relaxing phase. So in case of heart movements, whenever any chamber of the heart is contracting, we will be calling it as systole, and any chamber that is expanding, that we will be calling as diastole. So let us move on further and see more parts of cardiac cycle. A normal human being has heartbeat of 72 times per minute. This means that the heart beats 72 times in a minute. It's more than even a second for one beat. So let us see how this all process goes on. And yes, some kind of sounds are also produced by the heart. So we will be going for the love dub movement, that is the heart sounds also. Let us start. One heartbeat or a cardiac cycle consists of three parts. The first is the auricular systole, second is ventricular systole, and the third is the joint diastole. Students, auricular systole is of 0.15 second, whereas ventricular systole is of 0.3 seconds. And the joint diastole is of 0.4 seconds, a total of 0.85 seconds. So this is how a complete cardiac cycle is of 0.85 seconds. In the walls of the heart, there is the presence of special bundles of fibers. These fibers are very much special because they help in the origin of the heartbeat. One such special bundle of fibers is known as the nodal tissues. These nodal tissues are of many different types. One such nodal tissue is SA node, the sinoatrial node. My dear students, this SA node is known as the natural pacemaker. Natural pacemaker. Why it is called as the natural pacemaker? This is the most important topic of today's lecture. And along with this, one more thing you have to remember, that is that AV node, atrioventricular node. Why SA and why AV node? SA node, sinoatrial node, because this node is present in the right auricle, towards the right auricle, where there is the joining of the superior vena cava with the right auricle. So it is located in that section of the heart. And the AV node, atrioventricular node, it is present in between the interventricular septum. So it is called the AV node. Towards the AV node, there is the presence of large number of fibers which spread all over the ventricles of the heart. These are the bundle of His, and which further divides and form more minute fiber-like things that are called as the Purkinje fibers. So students, what is important in the origin part is that the nodal tissues are present in the heart surface. The most important nodal tissue is the SA node. Why? Because it is known as the natural pacemaker, and this SA node is connected with the AV node. SA is sinoatrial node. AV is auriculoventricular node. This AV node further moves and divides to form bundle of His, which is further divided into small fibers. They are the Purkinje fibers. So all these topics are related to the origin of heartbeat. So let us see that how these fibers conduct the impulses in our heart for the movement and functioning of heart. So now let us see how conduction is carried on. In the conduction process, the SA node firstly conducts the impulse, which is then transferred to the AV node, which is further moved towards the bundle of His fibers and then towards the Purkinje fibers in the ventricles. This is how there is the process of conduction of impulses, and because of these impulses there will be the movement in the heart muscles. But how the regulation of this heartbeat is carried on? Students, the regulation of heartbeat is carried on by two steps or the two systems present in our body. One is the endocrine system and one is the nervous system. Both the systems you have to remember that in regulation of the heartbeat or the cardiac cycle, there is the presence of the endocrine system as well as the nervous system. The heart sounds. The heart produces two kinds of sounds. That is the lub-dub. Lub-dub, these are the two actual sounds which are being produced by the heart. But how they are produced? Why the heart makes sound? Heart makes sound is just comparative. When you switch from one room to another room of your house and you shut the door, while shutting the door, there is the production of a sound when the door is closed. Similarly, when the blood is moved from one chamber to the other chamber, there is the closure of walls that are present in the heart. That can be bicuspid or tricuspid walls that produces the lub sound, or the walls that are present between the ventricles and the blood vessels, the semilunar walls, that produces the sound dub. So this is how two kind of sounds are produced when four walls are closed in the movement of the heart.